Hey guys, I just thought I'd make this video because I couldn't find one myself on YouTube. Essentially, we're just going to be changing the wheel bearings in this R33 GTR front knuckle. I've already got this one apart and powder coated. So this is a used front spindle here. Cleaned it up, made sure it's all nice. The rest is okay, but it's not the end of the world. Basically, first thing you want to do is you want to take your seal, and I'll pop him on there like that. It's on there pretty good. Alright, now that we've got our seal on there, I want to grab our new bearing. It's probably pretty hard with one hand, but pop that out like that. Now these come with a bit of grease in them, but I'm going to go ahead and add some more in there. So to add the grease, I'm just going to pack it in like this. Keep turning, keep smearing, just working it in.
3 hours later.
Alright, so we got our spindle, we've got our seal on here. We're going to pop that into the press. We've got our bearing all greased up, still a little bit of that grease. Grease up the shaft, pop that on there like that. That's as far as that's going to want to go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the old bearing, which will go this way. That's the old bearing that came out of it. And I'm going to use that to push the new bearing on. Now you can see this is the old bearing, this is the new bearing. Alright, so next thing I want to do is put this bearing separator over the bearings, or between the bearings. Alright, so there we go. Press that one back off. That's on there like that. Now we're going to take this, we're going to press it into the middle of that. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to put this circlip in, and then I'm going to press that from the other side and give it something to rest against. Alright, so we're back at the press. You can see that circlip down in there. I've got this part of the bearing all greased up, ready to push in. Alright, that is pressed in, and you can see the other landing. We're now going to put in that circlip. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. I highly doubt it, but maybe. Got him. So circlip just here. Now if we imagine that sits in just like that, we want to get our next bearing, which is just here. Alright, so this bearing's going to go in here. This kit I actually got off eBay. It's really good. Alright, last seal. Pop that in there like that. Again, one of these discs. You want to press it in fairly consistently. I think this is the way to go. And that is it. It's in. Done. Always tight to begin with, but that's alright.